Now, the reason I originally got the IFLYTEK AI Smart Recorder was for CES this year in January. And my whole goal for it was for it to be a backup recorder with the transcription feature as well if I needed to transcribe any live interviews that I was doing. And so it's been a good little tool to have as backup audio. Actually, just a couple weeks ago, I was recording a video on this camera right here about the AI paper, and unfortunately the audio for some reason didn't capture. So since then I've actually been using this just as a backup for my videos in general. If I have audio issues, then I can just use this as the backup recorder. And that really made the case for having this when I had that video that was completely shot, and then I went back and just had to redo all of it. Now, when you are recording, there are several different modes here. So there's an intelligent record, a conference record if you're in a room with a lot of people, and there's speech recording and interview recording specifically here, which is the one that I was using for a lot of the live interviews that I did. So now I'm on the intelligent record mode, and you're hearing me from the DJI Osmo. I'm gonna switch mid these cars coming right now. Now we're gonna switch to the recorder here in the intelligent mode, which is supposed to have noise cancellation. So we'll see how well that actually works. But you can see here, these cars are ripping by, and we're recording from the IFLYTEK right now. And just for good reference, I'll switch back to the noise canceling on the DJI mic right now. And you can see there's still cars passing by. So hopefully that gives you a good test of the noise cancellation on both of these. Now, in terms of the accuracy of the transcription, I would say it's probably somewhere within 90 to 95% accuracy. Specifically, the interview I did at CES with my friend Rod, there was some inconsistencies in the offline transcription. It's doing all of the transcription offline. So that is one nice thing too. You don't have to be connected to anything, and it can just do it in real time. And then you can transfer that file to your computer, and it shows up as a Word doc as well as the audio file. So I'll show you a quick 10-second clip from that interview, and you can see the offline transcription and how accurate it was compared to that.
Your Ray-Bans at the Sphere?
I did not. I had them with me, but I didn't. I was just doing my phone and stuff because I didn't have anything in my hand, so I was just like filming and stuff. Yeah. But on my flight here, do you know who Mr. Mobile is?
Yeah.
He was in business class on my flight. One issue I've had is I can't seem to get it to update, because when I go to the updates, it gives a QR code. And then when I scan the QR code, it basically says to download onto your computer, and it basically takes me in a circle. So I will reach out to the company to see if there's a way to fix that. I would like to get the updated OS if possible, so I'll definitely reach out to the company about that, because if there's some new features, I'd like to try those. Now, they also have the Smart Recorder Pro. I opted to go for this one because I do like the fact that it has buttons versus just being a massive touchscreen. So it's easy to quickly record with the button. That one I do believe has slightly better microphones, or maybe more microphones, but this one's sleek, slim, and I like the design and the sizing of it as well. So it is kind of an expensive device, but knowing that I can have the transcription done in the background and the audio as a backup source compared to just having one audio source, and I do think that I like it for that feature. So I've been integrating it more into my workflow, and I've found it invaluable for a lot of these things. I also like that it's USB-C charging, and that's the same way you connect it to the computer. And it's nice having the noise canceling feature as well. My main mic I still use is the Hollyland Lark right here. I just did a video about that recently, so you can check that out here if you want. But I've enjoyed my time with the IFLYTEK AI Smart Recorder, and that's just a quick little review for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.